It's nothing against icy hair. I just feel like the curly hair is not meant to be worn for a long time anyways, and you're supposed to really take care of it. But the thing is, the whole entire shedding situation, I feel like y'all should get that fixed, because like y'all see in that picture that I inserted, like it's barely any hair on the weft because of all that shedding.
Queens get the money, queens get the money. 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 Queens get the money, queens get the money.
Hi, what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this hair that I got from Iseehair. So I got this hair around January, early January-ish, and it's the same hair that I used in my last video on how to melt the laces. You guys could see that was my first time installing the hair and everything, and it is so beautiful. That hair was beautiful, y'all. That hair was amazing. I loved it. But now you guys want to see how it looks like now? This hair now is horrible, honestly, and I just wanted to give my opinion on this, break it up into different parts. So I'm going to be reviewing this hair into different parts. So there's going to be, I don't know how many parts, but part one, problem one with the hair was the shedding. This hair shedded so much, you guys. I don't know what it is, it just shedded so much. Like, even me running my fingers through, like, look how much hair I got. Nice and full at first and stuff. It was so nice and full and voluminous. Now it's just thin. It is so thin. I could see you guys through the spaces. It is so thin, especially around right here, as you guys could see, because when it will be sitting on my head, let's say this is my head, you could literally see the roll. The front toe kept on shedding so much that I would have to like cut off some of the front toe, and this is how I got to this. This is a 13x4 front toe. Why is this small? It was so much longer, especially in the back, and it's so tangled that it's like dreads. It's literally like dreads. I can't get the tangles out for anything. And mind you, yes, I did wear this unit in my head for long periods of time, for like a week or two, and I would take it off and I would wash it and I would deep condition it and do all this stuff. Every single time it would literally shed so much. It would shed so much. Now this is not the worst unit I have ever worked with. One of my clients, because I do own a little hair business on Instagram, the name's gonna be right here or wherever I put it. Yeah, so one of my clients, because she asked me where I got the hair, because this hair used to be so beautiful. I'm gonna insert some videos and stuff. As you can see, the hair looks amazing and beautiful, but now it's not the same, and I don't think I'm ever going to be wearing this hair again. My client asked me if she should get the kinky curly or the straight, I think. So I told her, from my experience with the hair, I told her to get the straight one instead of the curly one, because the curly one tangles and it sheds a lot. And she ended up getting the straight one, and I love that hair. As you guys can see, that hair is so beautiful, y'all. So that hair I will most definitely want to buy, and this is probably the next hair that I am going to buy and review. It's nothing against Iseehair. I just feel like the curly hair is not meant to be worn for a long time anyways, and you're supposed to really take care of it. But the thing is, the whole entire shedding situation, I feel like y'all should get that fixed, because like y'all see in that picture that I inserted, like it's barely any hair on the left because of all that shedding. And it's obviously this skin color cap is going to show. I kind of do regret spending the money I did on this hair. I spent close to $200. Like with this hair, you can most definitely buy it. It is good, it is cute, but I'm just telling you guys, it's not a long-term hair. It's not a long-term unit. It's not a long-term texture. Like curly hair is not long-term. You always have to renew it, and this is my first curly hair, and so yeah, my first experience with curly hair. So maybe I did something wrong, honestly. Maybe I did something wrong with this unit, but I'm not. That's all I wanted to say. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you guys give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you share it around with all your friends and families, and just random people out on the street, because we're trying to get up there. We're trying to get up there. We're really trying to get up there. So one thing is, I'm definitely going to try and be more consistent on my channel. I know that I haven't been consistent, but it's because I've been in school, and we still have schoolwork even though we are in quarantine and the coronavirus and everything. It's kind of like I'm in school in the morning, so I still have to do my schoolwork and everything. But yeah, so one thing, you guys, that I want to like discuss with y'all is my most viewed video, y'all. I was going through my analytics on my studio, not my analytics, my videos and the views and everything, and look at this. One of my videos has 265 right here views, and it is the story time I got stabbed. So if you guys do love my story times, I most definitely do more of them. So all my social media and email and contact info is down in the description, and all the information about me is also down in the description. So if you guys want to contact me or keep up with me, or contact me about any business opportunities, go ahead and go down in the description and you guys will see it there. I just want to tell you guys, everybody stay safe throughout this epidemic. Peace out. I love y'all.